A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a U.S. judge has intervened in the case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a Maryland father who was wrongfully deported to El Salvador earlier this year. The case has drawn national attention, highlighting the contentious immigration policies of the Trump administration. Abrego Garcia's saga began in March when he was deported despite a court order that protected him from removal. This incident has become a focal point for critics of Trump's mass deportation efforts, which they argue often disregard due process. Recently, Abrego Garcia has been held in a Tennessee prison as the administration pursues criminal charges against him. However, Judge Waverly Crenshaw ruled that he could be released from jail, rejecting claims that he posed a danger or flight risk. The judge expressed skepticism regarding the government's assertion that Abrego Garcia is affiliated with the gang MS-13, citing insufficient evidence. This ruling allows for the possibility of his release as he awaits a trial on human smuggling charges set for January. However, his release is currently delayed for 30 days due to concerns from his legal team regarding potential deportation. Concurrently, Judge Paula Zines in Maryland is addressing Abrego Garcia's wrongful deportation as part of a lawsuit filed by his wife. Zines mandated that immigration officials provide 3 days' notice before initiating any removal proceedings against him. The Trump administration's approach has been criticized for failing to adequately protect Abrego Garcia's due process rights. Abrego Garcia's deportation to El Salvador was deemed an administrative error by the government, which acknowledged that he had been living in the U.S. under protected status since 2019. His legal team argues that he fled El Salvador due to gang threats, highlighting the dangers he would face if returned. Despite the administration's claims of lawful removal, the courts have pushed back, indicating that Abrego Garcia's rights must be upheld. The case reflects broader concerns about the treatment of immigrants under the Trump administration and raises questions about the legality of deportations to third-party countries. A spokeswoman for the Department of Homeland Security criticized the judge's rulings, suggesting that they undermine immigration enforcement. Meanwhile, Abrego Garcia's lawyers celebrated the rulings as a crucial defense of his rights. As the legal battles continue, the outcome of Abrego Garcia's case may have significant implications for immigration policy and the treatment of those facing deportation in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.